Hey Thomas, here you're doing better and better. Stay strong and keep on working, and hope to see you back soon.
Hey Thomas, I hope you're doing really well. I know how difficult it is this moment, and I have been in the same situation as you, and I know you can do this. You're a really strong man, and see you soon.
Hey Thomas, I want to wish you get well soon. I hope you are doing better, and I hope to see you soon at the races, to be with us on the gate. So yeah, keep fighting.
Hey Thomas, hope you're going well, hope the recovery's good, and hopefully you get home soon and kick the feet, and yeah, maximise the recovery, and we hope to see you back at the track soon.
Hej Thomas. Jeg selvfølgelig sindssygt trist over at høre den situation, du er kommet ud i, men jeg ved, trods den voldsomme skade, du nu engang har fået, er sikker på, at du kommer hurtigt ovenpå igen. Du er, som jeg har sagt før, i sindssygt god form, og du har en vildt styrke uden lige. Så jeg er ikke i tvivl om, at du i løbet af no time vil være tilbage. Og hvis der er nogen, der skulle komme tilbage 100% for den skade, så er det ingen tvivl om, det er dig. Så jeg vil selvfølgelig ønske dig god bedring, og jeg håber, at vi ses ude i MXGP-paddocken snart. Fordi at, det fortjener du virkelig.